Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to create a simple enemy AI that chase the player and attack. So let's get started. First, we should create our character blueprint. Call it whatever you want, enemy, BP. And we also need to create our animation blueprint and blend space. So let's get to the animations, go to the legacy and make a blend space from D. And select your skeleton. Call it blend enemy, blend. And we also need to create a animation blueprint. Enemy anim BP. Open your blend space. By blend this space, we can blend between animation. So let's set the name to speed and maximum speed and maximum access depend on your enemy speed. I set it to 600 and here you can drag your animation from asset browser. We need a idle animation and we also need a walk animation. Like this one. And then go to the animation blueprint, go to the event graph. We need to get velocity and vector length, promote it to a variable, call it speed, and we are done here. Get to the anim graph, make a slot, and then drag your blend space that you created, enemy blend, and connect this one to speed. By this logic here, we are getting the speed from our enemy. So close it and open the enemy VP. Click on mesh to set our skeleton mesh and animation blueprint. And search here the animation blueprint we have created. Enemy and MVP and set the location and rotation to -19. We also need to add a pan sensing. By here, you can change some setting like sight, radius, or any setting you want. So we do not need to change anything. Get to the event graph and add the on the pans event. And now we need to create our chase logic, make a custom event, name it whatever you want, chase the player. Mm. And add a AI move to node on pawn, make a self, and on target actor, call get the player controller. And now we need to create a variable, call it can attack, compile, and on default value, set it to true. And here, get it, make a branch, And now we need to create our attack logic, make a custom event, call it attack, and here set it the can attack to false and play montage. Add a play montage node on a skeleton, add your mesh, and on montage to play, we need to add the attack montage. So let's create it. Right click on your attack animation and go to the create and create a anim montage. Then click on this and click on this button. And also you can search it right here and set our can attack on completed to true. Then on success, we call our attack, and on fail, make a delay. Set the duration to 1 second and call the chase player. It means when our enemy fail to chase the player, it will call the chase player again, and when it be success, it will play our attack. And now let's test it out. Add your enemy blueprint on the sorry, it's the animation blueprint. Add the enemy blueprint on the viewport, and we also need to add a now mesh bound volume, scale it up, press the P button to see where your enemy can go, and every green places it can go. So let's test it out. Why it's not chasing? Because we do not call or chase the player in on cpan. So let's call it chase the player. Now as you can see, it's chasing our character but not playing attack. Why? Because we did not set it to true. It means when it get the character, it stop right there. So let's test it out. Test it out again. And now it's playing its animation, attack animation, and that's good. And it also uh, is hitting our camera. Select your mesh and search the collision. Set it to custom, and on camera set it to ignore. And also in the capsule set it to custom and set the camera to ignore. And now, as you can see, it's not hitting our camera and playing our montage. Very good. And that's it. Thank you for your time.